Delete entered password in hidden password prompt, Linux, with shortcut. Is there a way to delete all characters that I entered in a hidden password prompt in Linux? For example, when I SSH to a server, it asks for my password where the entered keys are not shown. Is there a way to delete all my entered text without having to press backspace for an unknown amount of time? When I think I entered something wrong, I want to start over, and pressing backspace for a few seconds is annoying. I tried escape, Ctrl to hopefully select the whole text and home. Ctrl-C cancels the whole command and I have to send the command again to retry. This is almost the best and fastest solution, but still not satisfying. Insert does not work in my shell either.
You can delete the entire typed password with Ctrl+U.
Unlike Bash, SSH's password prompt doesn't use any special terminal input library like Redline. The line editing features are just the baseline POSIX line editing features. So you have a POSIX in cooked mode, not raw, aka canonical mode, and the only line editing that's available is what's provided by the kernel. CST1, and notice that kill equals U. This is also where the backspace character is defined, erase equals question mark. Word erase, $W, is convenient when you're not typing blind. Onext equals V, means you can type Ctrl V then anything, including Ctrl C, to get a literal Ctrl C. To debug what you were trying to do blindly, run cat or cat is greater than /dev/null in your terminal. Type stuff, then see what works and what doesn't to edit it. Redline, used by Bash, reads raw character and does the line editing in user space. Its default bindings are compatible with the default T-control characters, though, for the subset of editing features that they both provide. Redline goes way beyond the simple line editing of a plain T. For example, a T can only delete characters at the end of the line, so there's no A and delete or left/right arrow. When Bash runs a command in the foreground, it puts the T into canonical mode first, because that's the default. So running sta with no redirection will always see its own terminal in canonical mode. But if you redirect input from some other T that has Bash running on it, you can see what terminal settings Bash plus Redline applied. For example, sta is lower than /dev/pts/12, shows I canon for raw mode because I have a Bash running on that terminal. I switched to another tab and ran T, then used that device file path from the first terminal. If I ran cat in that other terminal, I'd see I canon for canonical mode. Related, the T demystified. This URL.